Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This project is an environmental monitoring chatbot for maintenance facility engineering. It helps engineers quickly check environmental condition and support efficient maintenance work. For the problem statement, maintenance engineer often lack quick access to environmental monitoring guidelines, while existing solutions are costly and internet dependent, creating a need for a simple, low-cost offline advisory system to prevent equipment failure and unsafe working conditions. For the objective, the first objective of this project is to develop an environmental monitoring chatbot for maintenance facility. The second objective is to provide advisory guidance on environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, air quality, noise level, and safety. The final objective is to implement a cost-free and offline AI-based system using local deployment. For database description, structure database for CSV, SL, IRS. First, the chatbot uses a structured database in CSV or Excel format as its main information retrieval system. This database stores predefined environmental data such as temperature range, humidity limits, air quality indicators, noise level, and safety guidelines. Each record contains a keyword and a verified answer, allowing the system to quickly provide accurate response for common maintenance engineering questions. For unstructured database for PDF documents, in addition to structured data, the chatbot also uses unstructured PDF document as reference source. These documents include regulatory guidelines and technically reference such as DOSH, Indoor Air Quality Document, and safety procedure. The system scans the PDF using keywords, and the extracted information is processed by the AI model to generate contextual and guidelines-based answer.
For this section, I will explain how this chatbot is work. So the step 1, the system start with a user input processing. The user intercept with the chatbot through the command line interface using Spider. So the input text is converted to lowercase and basic checks are performed, such as greetings, easy comments, and question length. So this have initialized the input before future processing. So the second is unstructured document search, which is using PDF2 PDF reader. So the question is related to the guideline or standards such as a DOSH of safety requirement in the PDF. So the chatbot can scan the document to store in the system. So the relevant text is extract from the document and paste to the AI model for interpretation. So this chatbot allow to answer the regulatory and guideline based question. So the number 3 is the chatbot search the structured CSV database, also we know as the IRS. This database contains a predefined environment information such as temperature range, humidity limits, ventilation purpose, and safety parameters. The system match the keyword from the user question, which is we have a topic, subtopic, and the keyword. So this CSV database, if match the file, the keyword, the response is written immediately without using AI. So the finally is AI reasoning engine. We using Ollama, Llama 3. So if not suitable, answer the form from the CSV or PDF sources. So the system use the AI reasoning engine. So the AI generate a clear and engineering focused response based on the question and conversation history. So this action as the fallback mechanism to ensure that user always receive a useful response. So for the overall this code explanation, this hybrid chatbot approach reliability by combining structured data, document-based knowledge, and AI reasoning in a single system. For this slide, we show how we design the chatbot or system architecture. So the first is the user interface is command line interface, which is CLI using Spider. So the interface allow user to type question directly and receive responses in the real time. So it was chosen because it is simple, lightweight, and suitable for development, testing, and academic demonstration without requiring additional web framework. The second is the application layer. It is developed using Python with LangChain. So the Python was selected due to its strong support for data processing and AI integration. So the LangChain is used to manage conversation flow, prompt structure, and memory handling, allow to the chatbot to maintain context during interaction. So this layer also decide which is the data source to query, CSV, PDF, or AI based on the user question. The third is structured database, CSV or IRS. Predefine environmental monitoring data such as temperature range, humidity limits, ventilation purpose, and safety information. This structure approach was chosen because it provide fast, accurate, and keyword-based response for frequency ask the technical question without relying on AI. The number 4 is the unstructured database, which is the PDF store the official reference such as those indoor air quality and guideline and safety document. So the PDF was selected because most regulatory standards are published in the document form. This allows the chatbot to support the guideline or standard regulation based queries using authorized sources. And finally, the AI reasoning engine, which is a Llama 3, running locally via Ollama, serve as the fallback reasoning layer. This model generates intelligent response. Same like the ChatGPT, OpenAI, but this Ollama. Why we choose the Ollama? Because it allows the system to run offline without API calls and the high data privacy, which is suitable for industrial and academic environment. So the overall, the hybrid architecture was chosen to combine speed, reliability, accuracy, and intelligent reasoning while maintaining low cost and high privacy. So the system ensure that users receive meaningful response even with structured data or document are not sufficient.
For the result, the chatbot runs successfully using a command line interface in Spider. The system is able to correctly load and process three main components. First, it loads the CSV database for structured environmental data. Second, it processes PDF document to provide guidelines-based reference. Finally, when not direct match is found, the system use the Llama 3 model as a AI fallback. Overall, the chatbot generate clear and understandable response using engineering terms that are suitable for maintenance facility engineering.
For this slide, the result was showed that chatbot is work. So the chatbot currently detect the question is related to environmental guidelines. So in the search the PDF database and extract relevant information for the guideline document, the chatbot is using the Ollama 3 model. That chatbot generate clear technical response including airflow and carbon dioxide emits. So the results show that the system can read document and provide useful environmental monitoring guideline for maintenance facility. So for this discussion for our chatbot, the chatbot successfully integrates CSV data, PDF document and local AI model, which is Ollama 3, to support environmental monitoring in maintenance facility. So the CSV database provide a fast and structured response, while PDF document allow the system to answer that guideline and standard related to the question. So using the Ollama with Ollama 3, we enable offline operation, which is improve data privacy and remove them dependently on internet access. However, one limitation of the system, the Ollama have a slower response time compared to cloud-based AI, which is, for example, OpenAI, ChatGPT, especially when processing a large PDF document. So the overall performance of the chatbot depends on the quality and coverage of the CSV and PDF database. In conclusion, this chatbot was successfully developed using CSV data and PDF document, and local AI model, which is Ollama 3 via Ollama. So compared to cloud-based AI system, which is ChatGPT, this chatbot operate with fully offline, which improve data privacy and eliminates API calls. So ChatGPT generally provide faster response and stronger language understanding. It requires internet access and may raise data security concerns. Although the response time of the local Ollama model is slower than ChatGPT, it remains reliable and practical for engineering and maintenance environment. Overall, this project demonstration that a local AI-based chatbot can effective with support environmental monitoring tasks while offering a secure and cost-effective alternative to cloud-based AI solution.